In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Paysafecard on App Store. Before we begin, here's the key idea. You can't add a Paysafecard directly to your Apple ID. Instead, you'll first use your Paysafecard to buy an Apple gift card from a trusted retailer, then redeem that gift card to your Apple ID balance. Once it's redeemed, you can pay for apps, in-app purchases, and subscriptions using that balance with no credit card required. Start by opening the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that you're signed into the Apple ID you want to use. It's always best to redeem to the account you actually buy with, so double check that now. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the App Store. This opens your account page. On the next screen, tap your account name to open your account settings. If you're prompted to authenticate, go ahead and confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Now head into your payment settings, look for payment and shipping. On some versions, it might be labeled payment information. Tap that, then choose manage payments. Don't worry, we're not adding a card here. We're just navigating to where Apple keeps your payment options and balance tools. Under your Apple ID section, tap payment methods. Here, select redeem gift card or code. This is where you'll connect the Apple gift card you purchased using your Paysafe card. If you bought a digital gift card, keep that email or code handy. If it's a physical card, scratch the label gently to reveal the code. On the redeem screen, you can scan the code with your camera or enter it manually. If scanning doesn't pick it up, typing the code is perfectly fine. Once the code is in, tap redeem. You'll see a confirmation that the amount has been added to your Apple ID balance. It's a good idea to glance at your updated balance right after so you know it's there. From here, your Apple ID balance becomes your default funding source. You can use it to buy apps, make in-app purchases, and pay for subscriptions. Apple automatically draws from your balance first. If a purchase ever costs more than what's available, you may be asked to add another payment method, but for most everyday purchases, your balance will cover it. One quick tip. Gift cards are region specific, so the card must match the country or region of your Apple ID. And that's it. That's how you use a PaySafe card on the App Store by redeeming an Apple gift card. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more App Store tips and tutorials.